Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, ready for a class? All are ready? Yes, so shall we start? Okay. So what were we doing? We were doing exercise on gender, right? I gave you some homework. Do you remember? I gave you homework? Yes. What was our homework? Yes, I had given you exercise on gender, right? So what was the exercise? You had to change the word in the sentence. Okay, so I had done 2 with you in the class and I gave you to do it for homework. Let's do the next. Page number. Yes, my page number is 25. E. Number 3. Right? Now what is number 3? My grandfather was a rich landlord. My grandfather was a rich landlord. Now the 2 words which you have to change are these. These are written in red color. Which color are they written? They are written in red color. That means we have to change these 2 words. Okay. Right? So, what will be my answer? Yes, grandfather will become grandmother. So, what am I going to write? My grandmother was a rich, yes, landlord. Landlord will become landlady. Landlady. Right? How many of you have done it correctly? Put a tick against your right answer. Let's move forward. Because this was your homework, what I am doing now is you have to check your work if you have done your homework. And if you have not done your homework, you can copy it right now. Right? Now the next. A man with 2 boys was going to the market. A man with 2 boys was going to the market. Now my words in the sentence are man and boys. Right? So these are the 2 words which you have to change. Now I am writing down the answer. What will be my answer? Now the gender of man. Yes, woman. A woman with 2. Yes, boys will become girls. Girls was going to the market. So my answer is a woman with 2 girls was going to the market. Right? Next one. Number 5. A hunter was running after a boar. A hunter was running after a boar. Now the words which you have to change are these two words, right? So my answer, a huntress, hunter will become huntress, was running after a bear. Boar will become bear, right? Hope it is clear. Keep writing in a good writing. The sixth one. Her brother is extremely fine actor. Is an extremely fine actor. Her brother is an extremely fine actor. We'll write the answer later on. Complete your work. Yes. By the time we have to change the gender of brother and actor. Okay. Hope you all have completed your work. Waiting for you to complete. Yes. Okay, shall I erase? Okay. So my answer is, now this brother will become sister. Her sister is an extremely fine, what will be my answer? Actress, actor, actress. So it becomes actress. Right? And the last one is, I met her brothers and nephew yesterday. Number 7. I met her brother and nephew yesterday. Now my answer. Yes, the words which I have to change are nephew and brother, right? So my answer is, I am going to write down the same sentence without any mistake. I met her. This brother will become sister. Sister and niece yesterday. Right? And my sentence is complete. This exercise is complete. Okay? completed your exercise. Now we move on to the next exercise. Now we move on to page number 24, right? Page number 24, exercise A. Here we have to write down the feminine form. Write down the feminine form. Right? Now here words are given. You have to directly write down the answer. Okay. Now the first word is nephew. N-E-P-H-E-W. The PH over here is silent. Phone. You write P-H-O-N-E. Phone. So in the same way the PH is silent and here the PH is silent. Nephew. What will be the answer? Niece. Nephew, niece. Next word is board. Board, bed. Peacock, cock, hen, peahen. Next, dog. Dog, bitch. Uncle, aunt. Man, woman. Master, mistress. Waiter, waitress. Emperor, empress. Next word is gander, geese. Sorry. Goose. Horse, man. Landlord, landlady. Billy goat, nanny goat. waiting for you to complete your work. Yes, now you can write down. Here you write down SOW, S-O-W. Okay. And where we had done the sentences also, there also you can change it into so. Bore, so. ये क्या है? ये भालू की जाति है. बोर क्या है? भालू की जाति है, बैर. अब बैर का जो मेल है वो बोर होता है और सो जो है वो फीमेल होता है. ये बैर भालुओं की जाति है. भालुओं में जो बैर होता है वो बोर होता है और सो जो होता है वो फीमेल होता है. यहाँ पर हमारी ये right. So what is written on the board? The first word is nephew, niece. Boar, sow. Peacock, peahen. Dog, bitch. Uncle, aunt. Man, woman. Master, mistress. Waiter, waitress. Emperor, empress. Gander, goose. Horse, mare. Horse, mare. Landlord, landlady. Billy goat, nanny goat. Ram, Eve. Okay. So you all, hope you all have written it down. This part I am erasing it. Next we shall continue with bull. Bull, bell, cow. Next, actor, actress. (17) Husband, wife. Husband, wife. Father, mother. King, king, queen. Tiger, tigress. Tiger, tigress, right? So this is the exercise number 8, wherein you have nothing to do but you have to learn it directly. There is nothing, because all some are same, some have to add res, but in this there is no rule that you have to learn. You have to learn the right answer. Okay. So now what is written on the board? Waiter, waitress. Emperor, empress. Gander, goose. Horse, mare. Landlord, landlady. Billy goat, nanny goat. Ram, Eve. Bull, cow. Actor, actress. Husband, wife. Father, mother. King, queen. Tiger, tigress, right? Giving you some time to write down. Yes. So your work is completed. Let's move on to exercise number C. Moving on to exercise number C. Now here what you have to do, you have to find the odd one out. Find the odd one out. Now odd one out जो अलग है, टीम से अलग है, उसको अलग करना है, right? Now moving on to number 1. Boy, bitch, bull, boar, brother. Now how you have to do the odd one out? You have to first see whether boy is a male or a female. Boy is a male. Bitch, yes, dog is the male and bitch female. So this is female. Bull, male. Boar, male. Brother, male. So which one is female? Bitch. So bitch is my odd one out. Right? Now we move on to the next. Man, monk, milkman, master, maid. Man, monk, milkman, master, maid. Now again I have to test all the things. Man is a male. Monk, sadhu, male. Milkman, दूध वाला, male. Master, male. Maid, female of a horse is maid. So my odd person out is maid. Right? Next. Girl, queen, nephew, sister, aunt. Girl, queen, nephew, sister, aunt. Now again the testing will carry on. Girl is a female. Queen is a female. Nephew is a male. Sister, female. Aunt, female. So my odd person out is nephew. Right? Now the next. Cattle, tiger, boar, ram, sow. Cattle, tiger, boar, ram, sow. Now again, cattle is a common noun, common gender. Tiger is a male. Boar is male. Ram is male. Sow, female, because the gender of boar is sow. So again here this is the odd person out. Okay, hope you have learned how to find the odd one out. Okay, now one more is left. Yes, children, start learning for your half yearly exam soon. Your half yearly exams are approaching. Complete your work. You have to send it by 12th of this month, right? The 5th one. Now my 5th one is book, shirt, car. Now you will tell me book is not a male or a female. Shirt, car, Eve and stick. Okay. Now book. Book is not a male nor a female, and the noun which is not a male or a female is a neuter gender. So this is my neuter gender. Shirt, neuter gender. Car, neuter gender. Eve. Now Eve, I have written down the spelling wrong. It should be W. Okay. Eve is a female of ram. Stick is a neuter gender. So which one is odd one out is Eve. Right? So this is how my exercise number C on page number 24 is complete. Now we move on to exercise number B. Which exercise we are moving down? Exercise B. Now in this exercise, you have to first read the question properly. What does the question say? The question is telling us, circle the noun having common gender. The words which are common, both the word which has male and a female. For example, I talk about a teacher. A teacher is both a male and a female. Parent. Parent में मम्मी पापा दोनों आते हैं. So parent में भी दोनों आते हैं. So that is a common gender, right? लेकिन उसमें से male मम्मी, female मम्मी, male पापा, ऐसे bifurcate होता है. So in the same way, what we have to do is, you have to pick out the common gender. Now this is my exercise number B, where you have to pick out the common gender. Right? You have to pick out the common gender. Okay. My G will be small over here. Now the first one, boy. The next word is parent. Landlord. Landlord. Drone. Sheep. Now, boy. Boy, only one gender, that is male. Parent, both male oblique female. Landlord, only male. Drone, you know drone? Drone workers in B? Yes. So drone is a male. And sheep, we have the male of a sheep is called ram and female of a sheep is called Eve. So here we have the male and the female. So what I am going to do is underline the sheep and circle the parent. These two are common nouns over here. Okay. Now moving on to the next part. Sibling hand, uncle, sibling. S-I-B-L-I-N-G, sibling, uncle, hen, cattle, Cattle, and the last one is bull. Now, how am I going to take sibling? Sibling यानी भाई बहन. तो ये मेल फीमेल दोनों होते हैं, right? Uncle is a male, hen female, cattle में male, bull, cow. So male and female दोनों आता है यहाँ पे. Bull is male, so I am going to circle my cattle and my sibling. This is how you have to pick out the common gender, right? Moving on to the third part, that is dog, student, prince, lioness, enemy. Dog, student, prince, lioness, enemy. Okay, now again you have to keep testing. Dog is a male or a female? Male. Students can be both male and female. Now prince, Raja ka beta, right? Male. Lioness, female. Enemy, दुश्मन कोई भी हो सकता है, मेल एंड फीमेल दोनों हो सकते हैं. So my circle is moving on to next. Teacher, actress, fowl, milkman, so. Teacher, actress, milkman, fowl, so. complete, children. I was waiting for you to complete your work. Hope it is all complete. Shall we move further? Yes? Okay. So now again the testing has to be done. Teacher. Let's see teacher. Teacher is a male or a female? Both. Actress is female. Milkman is male. Fowl. Now you know what do you mean by fowl? Fowl means birds. चिड़िया. अब चिड़िया के अंदर इनकी कैटेगरी होती है जैसे कॉक और hen. But fowl means poultry animals, right? So fowl can be a male and a female, and so is female of both. So what am I going to circle? 1 and 2, right? Moving on to next, peahen, swan, number 5. Peahen, swan, companion, wife, none. Wife, none. Now, again what we have to do is again check. Yes, peahen, female, swan, male, companion can be both male and female, wife, female, none, female. So my answer is companion. Next, friend, mistress, neighbor, drake, gander. Friend, mistress, neighbor, drake, drake, gander. Right. So friend, a friend can be a male friend and a female friend. Mistress, female. Neighbor, पड़ोसी मेल भी हो सकते हैं, फीमेल भी हो सकते हैं. Drake, male. Gander, male. So my answer is neighbor and friend. Next, ram, pig, niece. Ram, pig, niece, king, learner. Yes, hope you have finished writing. I was waiting for you to complete your work. Let's continue. Yes. Now ram. Ram is a male or a female? Male. Pig. Male and female both are there. The male pig is called hawk and the female is called niece, female. King is male. Learner. Now learning, everybody can do learning. It can be a male and a female, both. So my answer is right. And the last one is left now. My last one is human. Human, huntress, sister, bee, emperor. Now, human, male and female both. Huntress is a female. Sister is a female. Now bee. There are male bees and female bees. So here it will be both. Emperor, male. So my answer is, and this is the end of this chapter, right? We have done all the exercises of this chapter, and next we are going to start with articles. Our next topic is articles. Okay? So we wind up a session over here with completing the exercise on gender. Hope you all will do it and start preparing for your half yearly exams, because soon your half yearly exams are approaching, right? Okay, bye bye. Enjoy your day.